come closer. Big number one in a me city, yo. Me steady representing for me city, yo. African boy, me rep my thing, yo. Me come clean like me coming up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I do my pedicure at home. If you guys want to see how I prep my feet before I start painting them, I will leave a link to my previous video to show you how I soak it and scrape all the dead skin off. But in today's video I'm just going to start by showing you how I apply the first nails to my toes. And I like doing this because it really just shapes the feet a lot and makes it look a lot nicer. Then you're gonna file it down to the shape that you want. I like to keep my pretty squared a little bit. And here I'm just painting my toes. I'm using this kind of a dark, no, not dark, I don't know how to describe this color guys, but I got this nail polish from Forever 21 a long time ago. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also share this video with your friends and family who might find this video helpful. Thank you all for watching. Bye.